Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to rank higher on Airbnb. So make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how to make your listing stand out among the rest. First of all, open up the Airbnb official site. There are some hacks to help you rank higher in multiple categories. Whether it is a beach, a unique treehouse, or a stunning backyard, make that standout picture count. Quality is king when it comes to pictures. You can invest in professional shots that highlight your property's features. And here is a pro tip: write a compelling description for each picture, incorporating keywords that the Airbnb algorithm can pick up on. When guests look for a place to stay, they enter certain words that describe the location, the space, and the experience they are hoping for. If your property offers office space or workstation, so make sure to capture that in a picture and provide a detailed description, including Wi-Fi speed. In this new era of Airbnb searches, facilities matter more than ever. Airbnb wants to provide the best-in-class user experience to the guests. Having a faster response time is vital for accomplishing this goal. As a host, you should respond to every reservation request within 24 hours or sooner. To respond to guests, you can use the Airbnb messaging system to communicate with guests. When you add a new listing to your Airbnb portfolio, you will get an immediate boost in search results. This helps new hosts establish themselves in the market and maximize their chances of getting bookings despite not having any ratings. The property managers who are looking to partner with new owners and add new units to their portfolio should bear this factor in mind. Whenever you list a new property on Airbnb, you can make the most of this early advantage by optimizing for other SEO ranking factors. Or you can set up automatic responses to let your guests know about your availability. Make sure your descriptions tell a captivating story. Anything you do with the title of your listing should have an immediate impact. If the results are not positive, keep experimenting until you get it right. Airbnb considers pricing an important factor in determining your ranking on search engines. Respond quickly to all guest inquiries and never take too long than 24 hours to respond. To give your properties the best chance of standing out, respond within the first hour. The algorithm understands that when it comes to choosing accommodation, price is something that guests look upon. And Airbnb does not want to lose customers. Instead, it wants to provide the best deals possible to its guests. In addition, Airbnb loves pushing those listings that offer special or length to stay discounts to their guests. Airbnb's algorithm considers how often guests click on your listings when determining your ranking. It also tracks how guests often attempt to contact you from your listing page, as well as how many booking requests you accept. While you're not allowed to use symbols or emojis in listing titles, you can use them in listing descriptions. Emojis are an effective way to grab the attention of potential guests and appeal to their feelings and emotions. This can help you get more reservation from guests who land on your listing page. The platform will also look at how many people add your experience to their wish list and the number of times your experience link is shared. So, create a pricing strategy that will ultimately give you unbeatable results. You can use the help of the Airbnb Smart Pricing feature or an external pricing tool. Getting more 5-star reviews is another Airbnb SEO strategy to improve ranking on Airbnb's search engine. The more 5-star reviews you get, the higher the chances for you to increase your rankings on search engines, which increases your booking rates. As a host, you can collect reviews by sending emails to your guests right after their stay and seeking feedback regarding their experience. Good reviews are goldmine for you because it helps you build your reputation. So, collect as many good reviews as possible if you are just starting. Explain to your guests that you want to improve the guest experience of future guests, so their feedback matters the most to you. Remember, the key to thriving in this new Airbnb search system is through high-quality descriptive pictures that highlight your unique amenities. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.